5 seconds to go. Start. Art is a gift to the world. It is that we crave in the human experience. Art gives meaning to our lives and helps us to understand our world. It is an essential part of our culture because it allows us to have a deeper understanding of our emotions. It increases our self awareness and it also allows us to be open to the new ideas and experiences. Art, therefore, continues to open our minds and our hearts and shows us about the things that could be possible in our world. The purpose of art in your life is to make you feel something special. It can be a feeling of joy, sorrow, anger, and more. Art is a beautiful thing that has the power to bring people together and give them a sense of peace. Art is a way to express our emotions and feelings. It can be used to communicate ideas and thoughts. It can be used as a tool for self expression or can be used as a form of therapy or even as a means to find beauty in life. Art also captures a moment in time, historical events, social ideas, etc. Let us dive into the details and find out the various purposes of art. Art has been around for a long time and it is still the most popular and important. With so many purposes of art, it is hard to keep track all the things that art can do. It provides an escape from reality along with the sense of belonging and community. It enables self expression and self awareness. It can provide a source of entertainment and enjoyment. It is used to convey the messages. It is widely agreed that art has value because it is created by human beings with their own thoughts, skills, and emotions. Artists have always been interested in making value for their work and to increase the value of market of art. Artists use value in the art to show their skill and creativity. They want to make sure that their work will be appreciated by the audience and will not be forgotten about easily. Value in the art can also be used as a tool for teaching people about different cultures. Some people argue that art has a purpose in life and it allows us to express our feelings and emotions in different ways. Others believe that art is only for entertainment and should not be taken too seriously. Art can be seen as a way for people to express themselves and release their emotions. It has been used throughout history to communicate complex ideas and feelings that are difficult to put into words. There are many different ways in which art has been used throughout history, but none of the most common ways is through the creation of paintings, sculptures, and literature. Art has a unique power to change the way you see the world. It can help you to explore new ideas and it can make you feel more connected to others. The art has been used for many centuries as a tool for social change. In Greece, art was used as a means of communication. The Greeks believed that the good could only be reached through art and music. In modern times, artists have used their work to reflect society's struggles and political unrest. Art can influence and shape thoughts and beliefs. You know what art really is and its role in our life. When we connect with art, we are ultimately connecting with ourselves. Art enables us to look within and to listen to ourselves, realize who we are and what we care about. As a painter, I love to create because I connect with who I am to my inner core and I continue to learn more about myself and what I am truly capable of. Art introduces us to a whole new set of experiences and ideas that we may have never witnessed before. As people, we tend to make emotional choices that are passionate to us, and this allows us to realize that we care about and what we stand for. When we are aware of this, we tend to be happier and healthier as individuals because we are unable to figure out our purposes in life. Art causes us to have an appreciation and gratification for what we have in our lives. When we give ourselves the opportunity to connect with art, we are able to evaluate our lives. That is why I believe that it is so important to gift yourself with opportunities to incorporate art into your life on a daily basis. This could be through visiting an artist's studio, a museum, seeing a live show, watching a movie, or even reading a great book. Art brings more creativity, satisfaction, and happiness into our lives.